Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to my channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes some gossip, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, today I come back with another skaka. So we all know Uxolani Khumalo from Isizwe Okuthola, the show on Moja Love. He is currently doing a great job, catching criminal, trying to clean the country of drugs and all substances, and just trying to do the right thing. Okay, he was previously accused of, really, really bad things, about killings during the show. He even went to jail, went to court. It's a lot, Jesana. It's a lot. We really don't know what happened during those shootings. Ne? So now there's another skaka, there's another big skaka. Ne? So ke kuthiwa ke sana, there's a guy that tripped his life. There's a Nigerian guy that got shot during the shooting of the show. This guy was a suspect with drug dealings, ne? And then he got shot during the shooting of the show, and then now the Nigerians are protesting. The Nigerians are protesting. Kutwa, hey, we want Xolani Khumalo behind bars because Sana, why is our brother under the soil? Why is our brother? And Sana, he was, what's painful, he was a suspect, not the real culprit. What if nje mhlambe Shem yena he was just a suspect, but he is not the real culprit? Now the real culprit is free walking around there. Kushone nje umuntu wabantu, but ke kuthiwa ke the guy got shot during the shooting of the show, and now the Nigerians are protesting. Kuthiwa we want this guy behind bars. So Uxolani naye went to Twitter and confirmed everything. So hence I'm not using the word allegedly, né? Because he went there with his real account, posted things there, and said, "But yes, I can confirm that there was a shooting during the episode. Yes, is Oktola behind the scenes. The suspect, Nigerian suspect, was shot and killed." So he confirmed, and also there's this political party called Action SA. So Action SA has been working hand in hand with Xolani Khumalo, to try and clean the country of substances and all of that. Now they released a media statement to say, yes, guys, we can confirm and attest that there was a shooting. Some Nigerian guy lost his life during that thing, and he was a suspect. And they also said ukuthi they stand with Uxolani Khumalo during these trying times. And also a lot of people on Twitter were saying, but we stand with Uxolani Khumalo in these trying times. Like, our brother is trying to clean the country and we are behind him 100%. Even on Facebook, people were saying, no, we stand with Uxolani Khumalo during these trying times. He is doing the right thing, so he is not going to be jailed. You know? So, okay, Sana, it is what it is. Hey, Sana, it is what it is. I am really in between, Jimena, with this matter. Firstly, this person was just a suspect, not the real culprit. Now we don't know the real culprit, or maybe it was him. We don't know. The real culprit could be walking there freely. Not saying it was right to be distributing drugs and substance abuse and all of that. I'm just saying that it could happen ukuthi umntana abantu ushonele amahhala. I'm just saying. Also, big ups to Xolani Khumalo for trying to clean the country, trying to do the right thing. But the way he is going about it, I really don't. I really don't think it's the right thing. Like, this is not the first time where we lost someone during the shooting um of these episodes. It's not the first time. So I'm getting a little worried. Like, I'm getting a little worried, but I get that he is trying to fix the country, and we stand with him, Shem. We stand with him, but maybe he needs a different approach to this whole thing because. And his life now is in danger because nje sana, there are a lot of people that are involved in this thing. So we are just worried about him, Jay. Hopefully he takes a different approach, but we stand with him in these trying times. And may the soul of the person that got shot rest in peace. Nobody deserves to die like that, guys. Nobody. Regardless of what you did, nje. Anghamselan nayo. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.